Guys, welcome again to the Vagabond King called the Power Move. Yes, Power Move there. And I will going to show to you something that is incredible. This is called the Angry Bird, okay? When you look at this, the three of them will splunge. And then the piggy there will be in second. 1, 2, 1, 3 m. It will explode. Boom, pack. Boom, pack it on, yeah. And then we're gonna zoom it so you can see clearly the manifestations there. There's the egg. There's a birdie. Okay, you can see the birdie there. There's a piggy. And there. Hope you like it. And then also the granny there. You can see the granny there on top after it, okay? Here's the granny and there's a piggy. What you guys just do is pressing the egg and then yeah. Okay, that's the end of it. And then also this, okay? The ground corner will press the egg and then voila. It's just the end of it, okay? Then all of it is none. Okay, hope you like it. Continuous 1 to 5 times. Here's the birdie. This. And then this again. Okay, hope you like it. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay, hope you like it. Thank you.